What small details in medical records affect personal injury claims? Imagine trying to tell your story with a puzzle missing some pieces. Small details in medical records are those tiny pieces that can make or break your personal injury claim. When you start your claim, gathering all your initial documents is like collecting those puzzle pieces. Medical records are the backbone because they show what injuries you sustained, how serious they are, and how they affect your life. First, look for precise descriptions of your injuries. For example, if you broke a bone, the records should specify which bone, the fracture type, and any complications. If you have a concussion, the notes should mention symptoms like dizziness or headaches. These details help prove exactly what happened and link your injuries to the accident. Next, check the timing of the records. Emergency room notes should show when you arrived and what treatment was given first. Early documentation is key because it confirms the injuries were caused by the incident, not something from before. If there's a delay in recording your injuries, it might be easier for the other side to question their connection to the accident. Treatment details are also important. Records should include what treatments you received, like surgeries, physical therapy, or medications. If your records list specific procedures, such as a knee surgery costing around $5,000, it shows the seriousness of your injury. Follow-up notes that track your progress or setbacks add to your claim's strength. Doctors' opinions matter too. If your doctor states you might have a permanent impairment or need ongoing care, this can influence how much compensation you get. Recommendations about restrictions, like not lifting heavy objects or avoiding certain activities, support claims for lost work or lifestyle changes. Pain and suffering notes are often subjective but still vital. When your doctor documents your pain levels or emotional distress, it helps justify damages for non-financial losses. Consistent notes about your limitations in daily life strengthen your case. Billing and cost records are the final piece. Itemized bills showing costs for each test, treatment, or medication are proof of your financial damages. These documents support your claim for reimbursement of medical expenses. Be cautious of inconsistencies or missing records. Gaps in treatment or unexplained delays can weaken your case. Organize your documents chronologically to tell a clear story of your injury and recovery. If records mention pre-existing conditions, they should clearly differentiate injuries caused by the accident from prior health issues. This prevents the other side from arguing that your injuries were not caused by the incident. Lastly, mental health notes are sometimes overlooked but can be very important. If you experienced anxiety or depression linked to your injury, documenting these symptoms can support claims for emotional distress. In the end, these small details in medical records build a solid foundation for your personal injury claim. When you gather your initial documents, make sure they are complete, accurate, and well-organized. This helps show the full impact of your injuries and supports a fair settlement.